All right, what's up? I don't know what happened to my camera. Squeaky, squeaky. Who knows? Let's see if I push play. Nothing. I don't know. All right, no camera today, guys. Don't get to see my beautiful face. Let's try one more time. Nothing. All righty. Okay, so what we're going to do today is you're going to make 3 knobs, and it's going to change the colors. And what's going to happen is you're going to be like, oh, let's do all of them once, and that's no good. So you don't want to do that. So we just want to do red first. Okay. All right. So then think about what do we need for red. Okay. And then actually, before I start, I use my other one. So what do we not need? So this time we don't need button state. Don't need anything button. To be honest, we don't even need light delay. Okay, we need pixels begin. And then here, we just, we have blue. Oh, we got our nice little things here. So, so if we do our, well, let's go ahead and to make life a little bit easier, we'll just call this color, right? And then we don't need the rest of these. So we can just delete. There we go. We have color. Make sure we have 2 here. Void loop, then we're just going to run color. All right. Oh, shoot. We're not going to do that, actually. I lied. Let's go ahead and just take our color stuff right here and put it in the void loop. All right. So we're going to take this, put color here. We don't even need that last semicolon there. We just need this. Put that there. Delete the void color. Okay. So right now, if I just ran this as is to start it, I would have red, green, blue. So I'm going to just go ahead and start. Oops, something happened. I don't know what though. Oh, there we go. So blue. All right. Bam. There we go. Easy peasy. Now we know that these 3 numbers change our colors, right? So if we wanted just to do the red, we got to think of what variable do we want to call this. And on my little hint here, I think I called it red number. I'll put this up top here. So we're going to change this to red number. Okay, red number. Now, if I use red number up here, I have to make the variable up here. So int red number. All right. Okay. Now, I also need to use my potentiometer. So I'm going to have an int, and I did red pot, I think, for potentiometer. All right. So this is my potentiometer number. And then there we go. I could make variables for the pin numbers, but I'm not going to today. I don't know if that's always the best. Okay, so now, this where we did, I should have checked my potentiometer one. What I'm looking at now, I thought we had to do a pin mode. Huh, I guess we'll see here. Okay, so I want to take in the value of my red potentiometer. So here inside the loop, I'm going to say red number equals, and I'm going to use what's called map. So I'm going to map this guy. And I'm going to take my red potentiometer, my red pot, okay? My red pot goes from 0 to 1023. And I want it to go through 0 and 255. So map means map it. Red potentiometer is what I'm using. Okay. Oh. Okay. We need to do one other thing first. I got too excited. Okay. So we got red pot there. And I know what I did. I messed up on my thing here. So we got to fix that in a second. So I got ahead of myself. We need one more line because we got to actually figure out what red pot is. So red pot is equal to my analog read, and then it should be a 0. You guys have done this several times, so I got to throw some semicolons in there too because I forget that too. All right, so here I did my wiring wrong. That's no good. I hate that. Drives me nuts. Because unget out of code to fix your wiring, which I don't know why that is. All right, so we go here, boom here, a 0 here. Okay. All right, so we're gonna give myself a space right here. So I have my my two variables. Okay, I have my red potentiometer, I have my red number here, and then here, after I figure those two out, I'm going to change that number. And then let's go ahead and put a delay 10, just because it makes things a little bit happier. All right, so I have not tried this yet, so we are going to, fingers crossed, you guys can see it. All right. Okay. Yeah. I think I misspelled analog read. Let me check this out here. Analog. See how I put analog on there? That doesn't make any sense, does it? All right, so now we're gonna fingers crossed. Okay, nice. All right, so here we go. It's kind of a brown, ugly color. As I move my potentiometer up, it gets brighter and brighter and brighter. Okay. So then we need to remember too. Let's see. I don't think I put this on here. I might need to do. Let me see. I gotta check my notes how to do the serial. So give me 1 second. Let me pause this real quick. Okay. So I don't need to tell it's pin mode. I thought you did. I guess maybe because it's analog. Here's a fun fact. Analog is actually, so you think of analog as being the less fancy of the two, but analog is actually has more inputs, 0 to 255. Digital only has 2, on and off. All right, and so I guess that's where we put the analog read right there. Okay. Okay, so if we want to do our serial, remember we do serial. Oops. Serial dot begin, and then 9600, and then down here we could say serial dot print ln red value VALUE is colon space, and then plus, and then we'll go with red number. All right, so now put the simulation, and then remember down here, got that nice. We can do serial monitor. Ooh, that does not look good there. I don't know what I did wrong. Let me check something. So when you get symbols like this, I kind of know what that means. So I don't know if the map doesn't like that. Let me see something here. Let me pause the video. All right, so I guess it doesn't like the plus sign. That's Java. So anyway, so I did serial print and then serial print ln. So the print does the one line and then ln finishes it up. All right, and I was getting some weird numbers at one point, but now I'm not. So now you can see. Okay, so then you're going to do the same thing with blue and green, and you're going to figure that out. All right, bye.